We're coming up to the winter solstice, the completion of the solar year, the time of the longest night and the shortest day. It's also the beginning of a new year. So during this time of completion and rebirth, I'll host a Wonderfeel workshop. Each person who joins us will be able to tune in to the year that's passed, tune into some of the feelings of what we've experienced. And from this place of deep connection within ourselves, we'll be able to discover seeds of inspiration for the year that's been born. Join us if you will.